Welcome back, everyone, to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I've been wearing this smartwatch for the past 1 to 2 weeks, and I'd like to share my thoughts with you. If you're on the hunt for a new smartwatch for your Android device, stick around. Let's start with the watch itself. I have the black version of the Watch 6 Classic, which comes in a 43mm size. There's also a slightly larger 47mm version, but today, we'll focus on the smaller one. The standout feature is the rotating bezel, which you're probably familiar with. This bezel offers precise control with a satisfying click for each turn. The display is a 1.3-inch Super AMOLED screen, protected by tough Gorilla Glass Victus, making it scratch-resistant. The stainless steel frame and comfortable silicone straps contribute to the watch's premium feel. The watch is also water-resistant with an IP68 rating, making it suitable for swimming. The watch's One UI 5.0 interface is smooth and responsive. Swiping down reveals a control center, while swiping right gives you notifications. The apps are accessed by swiping up from the bottom. The health tracking features are extensive with accurate heart rate, stress tracking, and impressive sleep tracking. The watch also offers body composition measurements, although the blood pressure readings might need calibration for accuracy. Fitness tracking is comprehensive, with 90+ workout modes, GPS, and even a built-in trainer for specific exercises. The watch's battery life varies. With the always-on display off, you can get more than a day's usage, with around 1.5 days being the longest I've achieved. The watch faces are beautifully designed, including customizable options. In conclusion, if you're seeking an exceptional Android smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is worth considering. Choose the right size for your wrist, and you'll enjoy its clean, classic design, extensive health tracking capabilities, and smooth performance. For more details, check the link below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more content. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.